Hey everyone, the Beard Baron here today to show you a quick and easy beard lineup with a razor. Now this is something I do once a week, every week. I clean up my cheek lines, my side lines, and my neckline. Like I said, this is a once a week little procedure and it's very easy to do with a razor. This is just a Mach 3 Gillette disposable razor head. You might be having one of these guys lying around. This will work with any kind of disposable razor. The one trick is you got to realize that there's a little bit of a gap on the side of these razors. It's about 1/4 of an inch. So you got to be aware that the line that you're going to make on your lines isn't the edge of the razor. There's about 1/4 of an inch margin there you got to keep aware of. So this is going to take some practice to do. So here I'm in the bathroom. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow, and usually after a haircut I will trim my beard, so my beard is in need of a trim tomorrow. This has been my 1 week of growth on my cheeks, my neck area, and so I'm going to just clean this up really quick and easy. This is going to take some practice. I've been doing this for many years. Then this will work on any length of beard if you're trying to just line yourself up, and if you've been watching my previous videos, you know how important I stress that lining up your beard is going to give you a nice, clean, tidy appearance. People might hassle you a little bit less because it looks like you have intent of growing a beard. And so let's get into it. So the first trick right off the bat is I do not use shaving cream. I use water on my face and then use a razor on it. If you're going to use shaving cream, you're not going to be able to see what you're doing, and it's going to defeat the whole purpose of lining up your beard correctly. So you might want to try out just a small area of your skin to see how it reacts just with water and shaving that part, because your skin might get irritated, it might freak out, you might be put into a bunch of pain, unnecessary pain. But my skin is very resilient, it's tough, so I'm able to just put water on it, shave it. If you really want to be really crazy, I guess you could dry shave if you really wanted to. I don't really recommend that. Water helps give a little bit of an ease to it, but you could if you really wanted to, so that's up to you. So when I get a haircut, I have my barber touch my beard only in 2 places. That's on my sidelines on each side. One side, the second side. That's it. I don't have him touch any of the other lines, my neck, nothing like that. So he just goes a straight line down. That's all I ask for. It's a straight line from my ear right down my sidelines on my neck. Just right down there. Now for my cheek lines, I have a bit of growth in here. For the most part, I like to keep as much hair as possible, so that's going to give my beard a fuller look. So I only have to take off probably a little bit of 1/2 inch down here. I have a natural curve. Most men will have a natural curve, and you're just going to follow that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some water on. It doesn't have to be super hot or anything like that. While I'm wetting this, I'm also making sure all the hair is going down so I don't catch any long hairs in the razor. Making sure my mustache is completely down, brushed down, so none of it's sticking up. I don't want to catch anything in this. Wet my razor, take my hand and I hold all the hair down. Here, let me turn this off. All my hair down, I can see my line. You see the hair has to go there. I compensate for the 1/4 inch. I kind of just poke out just like that. Give it a little rinse. Give it a little second go around. I go a little higher on my cheek just so sometimes you get some weird hairs growing up on your cheek here. Just like that, I just cleaned up my cheek line, just like that. Real nice, real easy. Like I said, it's going to take some practice because you do have to compensate for the little gap on the side of the razor head. I'm going to do the same exact thing for my sideline over here. I'm going to wet it down, start pulling the hair towards me so I'm not going to get anything caught. The trick with the sideline is that when you're turning your neck like this to cut it, it's going to warp the line a little bit based upon how your shoulders are moving compared to how if you were looking straight forward. So you try and kind of compensate for that. I'm going to pull my hair and see where my line is. My hair's a little thick because it grows pretty quick over on this side. Rinse it out. I clean up as I go because I want to be able to see as clearly as possible what's actually happening. And this is a nice little measure of cleanup in between getting my hair cut. It keeps a very nice, clean appearance. Some days the lines will be better than others, but Your mileage will vary. Like I said, practice makes perfect. You could do this with a dual mirror setup if you were trying to, get a very crisp, clean line with your shoulders squared and your neck and face forward. You could use a double mirror, a hand mirror with a mirror like this. But you will be operating backwards when you're using it. All the motions will be backwards. It's very simple. Again, I'm going to go over to my neck side over here. Nice, clean, and crisp. That's how we like it around here. Ideally, this shouldn't take you that long to do. It should only be a matter of a couple of minutes. Using a clean razor, sharp razor, definitely helps. People always ask me, well, how often do you shave? And I tell them once a week, and they get kind of perplexed. And I'm like, well, this is what I consider shaving. And so just this little amount of shaving with these kind of razors once a week with this little bit amount of hair, it's, these razors will last for a year, basically. Then what I do with the neck, I just water that up a little bit. I pull up it. There's little stragglers down here. I let most of my neck growth grow out. So basically all I'm really trimming is a little kind of weird stragglers that are like at the base of my neck. And I like to carve this corner up a little bit so it's nice and sharp. Nice and clean there. And it's really as simple as that. Like I said, you can do this for any length of beard. Whether you have a 5 o'clock shadow style of beard, you have a long beard like this. You can easily use a razor to clean that up quickly, swiftly. Gonna take practice. You might make some mistakes along the way, but it's pretty straightforward, simple stuff. Don't be too intimidated. Like I said, try not to use shaving cream. You probably could in a sense if you were able to water it down, but at that point you might as well just be using water. If you haven't tried that before, give it a shot, see how your skin reacts. But like I said, very easy, simple stuff, guys. So leave some comments down below if you got some more tips and tricks of how you like to clean up your beard. Like I said, this is a quick and easy way to do it. That's how I like it sometimes. Like I said, once a week is usually enough for me. If I might go a little bit longer, but it's about 4 times a month I line up my beard. Barber takes care of my sidelines twice a month. Simple as that, guys. Hope this helps you guys. You got comments, questions, leave them down below. You know where to find me. TheBeardBaron.com for all your premium beard care needs, and all my social links are down below there too. Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Hey, like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Look forward to hearing from you guys. I'll talk to you soon. But until then, take care.